Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a special Sri Lankan sweet called Aggala. So this is a tea time snack, so let's start making it. So first of all we're going to roast some rice. So I have taken here 1.5 cups of rice. I washed the rice well and I drained the water. Now I'm going to roast it into golden brown. So this is the first ingredient to the Aggala recipe. So you have to stir the rice continuously until it become roasted into golden brown. Do not stop stirring it, otherwise the rice will get burnt. So we need a nice golden brown color. So I roasted this nearly 20 minutes. So now as you can see the rice has turned into golden brown. So now I'm finished roasting the rice. You have to let it cool down completely before you start grinding it to a powder. So stir it occasionally to get it cooled down faster. So now my rice is completely cooled down. I'm going to start grinding it. So when you add rice into the grinder cup, make sure you only add half of the cup. Do not overload it. So now I grind the first batch of rice into a powder. You can take some of it into your finger and check whether it's smooth enough. So I finished grinding all the rice now. So let's start making the Aggala. So this is the bowl that I'm going to make the Aggala today. So to this I'm going to add 1 large scraped coconut. This is fresh coconut. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Be very careful when you're adding salt because we don't want this sweet to taste more salty. So then give it a good mix. We want the salt to be combined with the coconut well and spread it all over. And now I'm adding the grated jaggery into the bowl. So then give it all a good mix. The jaggery, salt and the coconut should mix well before we add the roasted rice powder. To make sure it's mixed well, I'm going to use my hands now. I prefer you using your hands on mixing this because we want all ingredients to combine together. So doing this with using your hand will be the best way. So now everything is mixed well. Your mixture will be like wet. So now at this time I'm going to add the roasted rice powder into it little by little. Mix it all well. So now I'm adding the rest of the roasted rice powder into it. So when you're using the rest of the rice powder, make sure to leave around 2 tablespoons of rice powder aside. We need it to coat the Aggala at the end. So this is the 2 tablespoons of rice powder I left over to coat the Aggala. So now we're going to start making the Aggala. Aggala is always a round shape. So I'm taking a part of the mixture into my palm and using my palm and fingers I'm making it around. So now I finished making the aggala. Now we're gonna get it coated with the rice powder. So the purpose of coating this in the roasted rice powder is to give it a nice look and a crunchy taste. So this is the Aggala recipe that I prepared today. So this is a Aggala recipe that I learned from my mother. To make this recipe she always used kitul hakuru or kitul jaggery. So I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope you like this recipe. Give it a try when you have all the ingredients at home, and it's very easy to make. So let's meet again with another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching.